Okay.
Good morning. My name is Kenneth Bipata, and this is our explanation. First, let's talk about the BMI. BMI means body mass index. It is a complete calculating using weight and height to check if a person is underweight, normal, overweight, or obese.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ayan Kosim Sinubuan. I will explain how to solve BMI. Before we start, we need weight and height. My weight is 53. So my height is 1.63 example. So before we start, we need carry the power of 2. So para makuha ang 2.65, 163 times 1.63 equal to 2.6569. So pag makuha na ng 2.6569, ibutan mo dani dyan, i-divide po din mo sa 53 to 2.6569 equal to 19.94.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Philip Benedictus Pulinar.
I'm Mark Emerson Sikoyos.
And I am John Mr. Bahi. And this is our three statements.
Number 1 is headaches. I feel headache because of my school works.
Number 2, fast heartbeat. I'm fast heartbeat because I'm late because I'm running.
Sweating. I'm sweating because I have lots of homework to do.
Okay na.
Healthy stress management technique. Breathing exercises.
Breathing exercises are highly important after running because they help your body calm and recovery faster.
Number 2, time blocking, planning study schedule.
Studying for homework is important because it reinforces learning, helps your student develop essential skills like time management.
Number 3, sleeping hygiene.
Sleeping after studying is crucial because it solidifies newly learned information into long-term memory. And enhanced cognitive functions of the brain also make your brain relax.